This is a simulation of simple harmonic motion. You can see the pendulum is oscillating and its amplitude is slowly dropping. It's going to drop to 0, and at the bottom you can see a cosine graph, and the nature of this graph is, here if you see the amplitude for each oscillation, it is gradually dropping, and finally after 10 oscillation it drops to 0. So let it finish. So here in this case the pendulum slowly drops its energy, and it finally impedes to a 0 energy, and it stops. Now I can change the equation a little bit, where this here it says the amplitude drop. So for it drops at this speed, or this fraction rather. The amplitude drops from 25 degrees here, it's the initial angle 25 degrees here, it drops by this much, uh, and it gradually drops to 0 here. If you go to the bottom of it, it drops to 0. Here it drops to 0. Okay, now what I'll do is, I'll change this value to no drop. What it means is it will not drop, it will go at a constant rate. See here, the cos graph, there is no dropping. Let's fire again. So here it will just continue at the same speed with the same amplitude. It's going to complete 10 oscillations. I have uploaded this Excel on my Google Drive, so you can download the same. You can have a look at all this equation and tweak the angles, and see it for yourself. As for physics, if the angle is small, the initial amplitude is small, then it follows a simple harmonic motion. What it means is the equation of the locus is a simple cosine or a sine, a curve. But if the angle is very high, the equation is not accurate. However, here we have only followed a cosine graph. I can change the angle to let's say 70 degrees. It will have the same cosine graph, and let me also drop the amplitude. So I'll say drop yes. I'll say yes here. Why? So here it drops. So this cosine or sine equation, it's pretty accurate even for higher angles, but in real physics, for higher angles it does follow different equation which is much more complex. For smaller angles, cos or sine is approximation of the simple harmonic motion. Thank you all.